From late start
to boys volleyball,
we've got the scoop. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Centurions.
I'm Jasmin.
And I'm Rosa.
Today is April 17, 2018. If today's your birthday,
Happy birthday! You share a birthday with actress Jennifer Annie Garner. Following a supporting role in Pearl Harbor, Garner gained recognition for her performance as the CIF officer Sidney Bristow in ABC's spy action thriller Allies, which aired from 2001 to 2006, and Love, Simon, that aired this year.
Tomorrow and Thursday, we will be having late start due to senior interviews. Classes will start at 9:51.
Also, today is a senior panoramic during 5th period in the gym.
Prom tickets are at the lowest price right now. There are 85 without an ASB card and 80 with an ASB card. Make sure to get your permission slips from the ASB window.
Interested in running for prom king and queen? Pick up a packet at the Strand during lunch this week and next week.
The Grand Batch ticket sales have been extended to April 25th. Make sure to buy your tickets ASAP. You guys do not want to miss out on this amazing opportunity to create memories that will last a lifetime.
Pilar Comparan, program manager with the project tomorrow and Educators Rising, will the presenting senior Luis Diaz with his California State Championship trophy for the winning entry in Educators Rising Creative Lecture Competition.
Hello, thank you once again for having me here. My name is Pilar Comparan. I am here representing Educator Rising, which is a national CTSO that allows students, like the students here in your Teach Academy, to go ahead and explore the career of teaching. As you know, California and the U.S. has a big, large teacher shortage. So what we do is we enhance the opportunity for them to do clinical trials at local elementaries. A big part of the CTSO is actually participating in competitions. We hold them regionally from Southern, Central, and Northern California, and we also hold them at a state level. Once you place first to third on a state level, you actually get the opportunity to go and compete at a national level against the rest of the states. So, just like the mention, I am actually here today to present Luis Diaz. So if you want to come up, Luis, with his first place state award. So he gets this awesome California State Award. Here you go. And he gets a super cool handmade certificate. Here you go. And now he actually gets the opportunity to head out to Florida, Orlando. We're going to Disney World this summer to actually go and compete once again against other 20, 30 states that are actually attending. His competition is called Creative Lecture, and what he got to do is he actually got to do a TED Talk, and he talked about equity in education. So what is equity and how can we provide that for our students? So I'm very excited about that. Luis, any words you want to say to all of your students?
I'm very thankful for, just everybody that has been helping me through this past year and all the other years before to help me accomplish, this accomplishment. And it's very cool to have a trophy since I already have an empty spot in my trophy case that this will be filling in.
Thank you. And just last but not least, this is actually Luis's second win in a row. Last year, he won as well first place in the state. So be very proud of the student that you all have here in your school as a colleague, because he's going He's going places. All right, thank you. Back to you.
Amazing. He's back-to-back state champion in the creative lecture competition. 2 years in a row, Luis has now qualified for the national competition in Orlando, Florida. Well, make sure to let you know how he does there. But you see him around school, make sure to greet him as, "Hey champ."
Moving on to some sports.
The varsity girls softball is going to have their first home game against Catella at 3:15. Here we have a couple of players in the studio.
Hi, my name is Danny Cruz, and I'm here with Amaris and Yami. You guys have your first home game, which is league, and you guys are 1-1, right?
Yeah.
So how have you guys been preparing for today's game?
We've just been practicing hitting and fielding a lot, so that's how we've been preparing.
What will it take to get the win?
We just need to focus, and we just need to keep our heads up and communicate and just stay strong.
Well, I hope you guys win. Make sure you guys go support. Back to the Anchors.
Thank you, Danny. The varsity boys tennis is having a home match today at 3:15 against Magnolia.
The varsity boys baseball have a home game today at 3:30 against Anaheim.
The varsity boys volleyball is also having a home game at 4:30 against Magnolia.
Make sure to come out and support.
Anyways, that's all we got for now.
But remember,
Have commitment
honor,
and success.
bye.
Bye.